Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do comparison with greater than operator. The greater than operator compares the values of two numbers. If the number to the left is greater than the number to the right, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Like the equality operator, greater than operator will convert data types of value with while comparing. 5 is greater than 3, true. 7 is greater than the string of 3, true. So what happens here? It converted the string into the integer and then said it was true. So this is kind of weird, and this can get tricky in bigger programs. 2 is greater than 3, false. 1 is greater than 9, false. Add greater than operator to indicate the lines so that the return statement makes sense. Okay, so function test greater than val. Here it's saying test greater than 10. If val is, change this line, greater than 100, return over 100. If val is greater than 10 over 10, or return 10 or under. So let's see. Let's first change this to console. Well, let's see if this passes the test. Okay, great. So that's the answer. If you're just trying to get the answer, check that out. Otherwise, I'm going to go over it in a little bit more depth here. So what I'm going to do is console log this. I'm going to console log this function. Now what we're doing is we're getting the response. So test greater than 10 is 10 or under. What happens if we do this with 101? Over 100. So what's going on there? We're running this function, test greater than, and we're putting the val is equal to 101. If 101 is greater than 100, return over 100. So that's what happened. This function's done. What happens if we say console.log and the value is -3, -4. It's 10 or under, right? So what's happening here? Val is being set to -4. It's coming in here. -4 greater than 0? No. So this portion of the function doesn't run. Is val, which is equal to -4 in this case, greater than 10? No. So this doesn't run. And then there's nothing else to happen, so we hit this return value and it's 10 or under. So I hope that helps. This is a pretty fun one, and yeah, we'll see you in the next lesson.